Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scooby Doo, and it's really early on a Tuesday morning, and we have a pickup across from the university in Hamilton. So it's something that I didn't think I was going to buy, but it's kind of a crazy deal, and I may be growing to like a little bit, so can't pass it up. Let's go Pandora hunting. Oh, it's cold out. Oh. All right, I'll turn you on when we're at Starbucks. First, the drive-thru at Starbucks. Yum. I'll keep buying them for the next week or so. Good. Thank you. Good work. Have a great day. Take care. Bye. Oops. I put them upside down. Yummy. We got Bliss bars and coffee. Let's go Pandora hunting. Now we got to turn around. Somehow. I'm going to sneak through the parking lot again. Because we're on a one-way. So we're going to do a sneaky move. This'll work though. What a huge lineup at Starbucks now. We got there just in time. Now we're going to sit at another Starbucks. Yeah, but that one doesn't have drive-thru, so I need my coffee in my hand to sit at Starbucks so I don't get kicked out of Starbucks parking lot. Does that make sense? We won't tell them. Cheers. That's really good. Okay, be right back. Well, we're sitting in Starbucks parking lot waiting. And we'll see how we do. I'm not sure. I got my fingers crossed. And depending on how we do here, we might go to our honey hole spot afterwards and see if there's any more rings. Ooh, that would be cool. But I have a feeling after I put it on YouTube, they're probably all gone. Because you guys are quick. But it's a bit of drive there, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes here first, I think. Yes. We'll see. Hi, Pandora Rose?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm hoping it's going to be small enough. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
This is what we got. Nice. So, I guess it's worth our wait. And it is a perfect size. Nice. I love it. Okay. I was wrong. You guys are right. I like the rose. Okay, so if we don't find anything else today, thanks for coming Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys. We're off. All right. I'm kind of liking that. Yay! Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude. And we went to our secret spot and we've got 2 more. So, it's a good day. We'll do an unboxing when we get back home. This has been awesome. Everything's still there, so that's a good thing. Hi guys, this is the unboxing from this week's haul. We got this beautiful Murano and I think it looks perfect on my new tan leather. Absolutely love that. I've never seen that Murano before, so I was pretty taken back by that. It's really, really nice. And then we got the 3 daisies. 1 ring left. We got it. Yay. And then the big thing for the week was this beautiful rose reflection bracelet. Really, really nice and awesome shape. And I'm really, really hoping it's going to be okay with my skin this time. I seem to have a bit of a problem with rose. It turns really fast for me, but we're going to be super careful with this one. So, thanks for coming Pandora hunting. And please like, subscribe, and leave me a message. How do you like the rose? And have you ever had a problem with it turning? And give me some tips on how to clean this and polish it. I think it's just with the soft cloth, but let me know what you guys do. Okay, take care and we'll see you next week.